Good morning, everyone. My name is Debo Onifade, and I'm the CEO of Delon Apps. We created the new HR payroll and accounting app called HRPayHub. Our software was developed for the Nigerian and the UK market, but today I'll be speaking to our Nigerian audience. There are three features that make our software special, so unique: affordability, compliance, and all-in-one. Let me start with affordability. Many products today, many software products today are focused more on the established enterprises, big companies. And so you have many small businesses that require some of these products but are not able to afford them. So what we've done is to make sure that we consider SMEs in our production and pricing. We already work for the largest banks in Nigeria. We work for seven out of the top 15 banks in Nigeria: Access Bank, First Bank, Wema Bank, Sterling, and so on. We work for the largest insurance companies in Nigeria, and we work for big microfinance banks also. And so we feel it's time for us to cater for the SMEs. I've always wanted to provide solutions for the SME market, and this gives us the opportunity to deliver the same high-level value we have delivered to large companies in the past. We continue to deliver anyway to smaller companies. For example, we have a package that costs less than 1,000 naira per month per staff. I don't think there's any competitor that has that. We're allowing companies with as few as 5 employees to be able to buy the software. We're not charging anything we have no one-time installation fee or integration fee. No. We are allowing people to pay per month. We're not requiring them to pay per year, like some companies. We're just generally trying to make it easier for SMEs to be able to utilize this software. That's why we say affordability is a very unique feature for us. The second is compliance, which is kind of related to affordability too, or cost effectiveness, I would say. Many companies in Nigeria want to be compliant. Now, I wouldn't say all, but many companies would love to be compliant. But apart from some confusion in our laws, the biggest challenge is cost of compliance. Now, if you want to be compliant, if you want to be fully tax and labor compliant, you will need to hire experienced or professional accountants. And you also have to have even that's in addition to having an external auditor. HR, you need to hire somebody that maybe a CIPM, maybe expensive. But with our solution, you can get away with hiring some of these expensive professionals, because the application itself will generate the required PAYE document you need for LRS, OGRs, and other state IRSs in Nigeria. Our application will generate documents you need for FRS, VAT filing, withholding tax filing. Our application can generate your annual P&L filing reports, balance sheet, calculate depreciation for you, allow you to vary the number of years. Our application can be used for annual LRS filing, annual OGRS filing. Those are things that normally would require hiring professional accountants for. That's every small business owner understands what I'm talking about. With our application, you can get all those documents prepared. As a matter of fact, your annual P&L, annual financial statement can be prepared from the application without having to hire an external accountant. Now, you might still need an auditor to audit things, but in terms of preparing your documentation, the application can do that for you. And that's huge. Many competitors have compliance features, but nothing near what we have. Compliance with FRS, IRS, monthly, annual. We don't have any product like that in Nigeria that offers similar features. People have focused a lot on payment. I like to talk about that. There is a lot of focus on payment, and that's an area for now we are not addressing. We think that it's almost an overkill in Nigeria. There are a lot of payment solutions. Everybody wants to help you pay the salaries. I don't think the challenge is more of paying the salaries on your behalf. The banks have existing solutions that can help you with bulk salary payments, as well as some other non-bank actors. But if a bank is offering you a solution that can help you pay salaries almost for free, we think there's no need for us to reinvent the wheel. Instead, we're helping you focus on compliance. So you can use existing payment infrastructure, but as you can use our solution to help you to become 100% compliant. The third feature is all-in-one. Our solution gives you HR features, payroll features, as well as accounting features. Many companies don't worry about accounting because people tend to believe that HR and payroll are different from accounting. That's correct in big companies, but in many small companies, it's the same person. The same person that's handling payroll is the one handling accounting. Sometimes the same person that's handling HR is handling payroll and accounting. So the big companies may not need that accounting part of our application, maybe because they have a different department. But many SMEs in Nigeria will be glad to see a solution that helps them do the three together without having to use another solution, especially when it comes to compliance and generating the required documents. I think that's all I have to share today. We're now working with some small businesses already, and I encourage you to take advantage of this application. It will save you money, save you time, help you to become more compliant, and ultimately improve your bottom line. Learn more by visiting HRPayHub.com and look at all the packages, and we also give you 1 month free to test. You have 1 month to test and just see if this meets your need. If it does meet your need, and then you can order. We allow you to order online. We try to limit ordering to online so that you can then, within per month, we get auto bill per month. Just make it easier rather than having to call people to send payment every month. And if you have questions, you can call or send an email to info@delonapps.com or care@hrpayhub.com. I wish you a blessed week ahead. Thank you so much.